Make this easy recipe for homemade meatballs with me. I'm using grass-finished ground beef from COWabunga Cattle Company. It's 100% grass-fed and absolutely delicious. Use 1 pound of ground beef, a fourth cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Use your hands to mix in the seasonings. Take your time and don't be afraid to get a little messy. Make sure all ingredients are well combined. Now we'll form the meatballs. Use about 1 ounce of meat per meatball and gently shape it into a ball, rolling it between your hands. The meatballs should be about the size of a golf ball, so add more or less meat as needed. You'll end up with about 16 meatballs for the full recipe. If you want, you can prep these meatballs ahead of time and refrigerate them for up to 2 days or freeze for up to a month. You can cook these in a slow cooker, a skillet, or in the oven. Once they're done, serve them on top of pasta or spaghetti squash with marinara sauce. For more simple recipes like these, check out the Peas and Hoppy Meal Guides app. Enjoy! For over 800 simple recipes like these, check out the Peas and Hoppy Meal Guides app. Enjoy! You can cook these in a slow cooker, in a skillet, or in the oven. Once they're done, serve them on top of pasta or spaghetti squash with marinara sauce.